up, y'all? My name is Brucito. This is my first video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to create an Ian type song on Bandlab. I'm gonna be showing y'all the whole process. Yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, first, to find your beat, you're gonna go on YouTube and go to the search, type in the artist, and then type beat. So for me, it is Ian, not Che. Ian type beat. Put that in right there. And then I will be back once I find a beat that I like. Alright, I just found one. This is very fire. I'm gonna just show y'all the beginning of it. Yeah, y'all get it. That is very fire. So in order to get this beat and take it as yours, steal it, you could say, you're gonna go to YT MP3, search it up, click the first link, go in here. It's gonna ask for a little URL. You go back to YouTube, get that, and put it in right there. Wait until it finishes. Alright, it says completed, press download. If it does this pop-up stuff, close that, because they be scamming on here. I think, but I haven't gone scammed yet because I don't be clicking on it. Don't click on it, delete it. Once your thing downloaded from this, what you're gonna want to do, open up Bandlab, come in here, make a new project, import that beat that you just downloaded, put that in right there. And what I like to do is I like to see if there's any extra that I didn't put in, but no. Check the beat, make sure it's good. Alright, the beat is good. If this is blue right here, turn that off. It's like that, turn that off because you don't want it. First, before you do all that, go to tools, go to latency test. This is going to help you a lot with any latency that you have with your microphone. So what I'm going to do is I got to turn this monitor off. I'll be back in 1 second after I finish the latency test. Alright, I just finished the latency test and I'm ready to test all these vocals and set up the vocal tracks. What you're going to want to do is I turn my beat down so I can just hear my vocals while I test them. And here we go. Brand new bitch, yeah. Brand new stick, I got brand new Margiatas yeah. Alright, so it sounds good. That means this auto-tune is all good. Once your auto-tune is all good, go to effects down here. Go to your preset. I'll have it down in the description if you want mine. Put that preset on. It'll sound a little bit different. Once you have the preset on and it sounds all good, duplicate it. I duplicate it 3 times. Once you have all these up, get your other track. This one is gonna be your ad-libs. So first get your auto-tune on. Brand new bitch. Yeah, brand new steaks. Forgiatas. Alright, so that sounds good. Let's get this effect on. Brand new bitch. Brand new steaks. Brand new forgiatas. That sounds good. Oh, what? Yo. Brand new bitch. Brand new steak. Alright, that sounds good. Once you have that on, alright, I'm gonna start cooking out. Here we go. Brand new bitch, wow, wow. Brand new stick, yeah, yeah. New bitch, wow, wow. Brand new stick, yeah, yeah. Oh, wow. Brand new stick, yeah, yeah. New stick, yeah, yeah. Carry the team on my back like a hitch, yeah, yeah. Stick, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Carry the team on my back like a trailer hitch, brand new stick, yeah, yeah. New stick, yeah, yeah. Carry the team on my back like a hitch, wow, wow. Like a hitch, wow, wow. Get hitch, wow, wow. Hitch, wow, wow. Like a hitch, wow, wow. Hitch, wow, wow. 50 rounds in this Mac. If you snitch, wow, wow. If you snitch, wow, wow. Snitch, wow, wow. You snitch, wow, wow. If 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 you snitch, wow, wow. Snitch, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Tryna make a meal, tryna pay these bills. Tryna make a meal, tryna pay these bills. Make a meal, tryna pay these bills. Tryna pay these bills. Tryna pay these bills. A meal, tryna pay these bills. Make a meal, tryna pay these bills. Tryna pay these bills. Pay these bills. Pay these bills. Laser sight on his chest, make him stand still. Tryna pay these bills. Pay these bills. Laser beam on his chest, make him stand still. Beam on his chest, make him stand still. Hell, everyone tryna be Cardi now with a deep voice. Do it cause she bad as hell. She bad as hell. Everyone tryna be Cardi now with a deep voice. I'm tryna be Cardi now with a deep voice. Cardi now with a deep voice. Cardi now with a deep voice. With a deep voice. Do I want Balenci or Bacardi now? That's a deep choice. You know, that's a deep choice. These bills, laser beam on his chest, make him stand still. I'm with my team, you know the rest, and we in the hills. Chop his body up with the chainsaw still. He poppin' Molly now, I don't know what to do. Take your little shawty out, do it cause she bad as hell. Everyone tryna be Cardi now, with a deep voice. Do I want Balenci or Bacardi now? That's a deep choice, make her laugh so everyone tryna be Cardi now, with a deep voice. Do I want Balenci now, with a deep voice. Do I want Balenci now, with a deep voice. Do I want Balenci or Bacardi now? That's a deep choice, make her laugh so jolly now. Oh, she's moist. ride me Harley Davidson. Now with a deep voice, do I want Balenci or Bacardi now? That's a deep choice. Make her laugh so jolly now. Oh, she or Bacardi. Balenci or Bacardi now. That's a deep choice. Make her laugh so jolly now. Oh, she's moist. She wanna ride me Harley Davidson. Tryna hoist. She tryna hoist. Oh no. She tryna hoist. No. Get up off me. Hoist. No. We're gonna end it off right there. Make sure on Bandlab to save your stuff. It says never, make sure to save it. I'm just gonna pop up in the bottom left right here, and then you're sure that it saved your track, because if it doesn't save, then you're cooked. You are absolutely cooked, because it will not save anything at all. You can see how long it's taking, so don't leave until it's saved. There we go, project saved. It might reload, but this is the full song right here. Oh no. Brand new bitch, wow. Brand new stick, yeah. Carry the team on my back like a hitch, wow. 50 rounds in this Mac, if you snitch, wow. Tryna make a meal, tryna pay these bills. Laser beam on his chest, make him stand still. I'm with my team, you know the rest, and we in the hills. Chop his body up with the chainsaw still. He poppin' Molly now, I don't know what to do. Take your little shawty out, do it cause she bad as hell. Everyone tryna be Cardi now, with a deep voice. Do I want Balenci or Bacardi now? That's a deep choice. Make her laugh so jolly now. Oh, she's moist. She wanna ride me Harley Davidson. Tryna hoist. Oh no. She tryna hoist. No. I appreciate y'all for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya. I got Balenci, that's my shoes. I got Beamers and they cool. I'm coughing like I got the flu. I'm with my team, with my crew. That's your girl. I said, how do you do?